up, dude?
The deal.
All right, so we're pulling into Showtime Speedway. We're gonna meet up with Coop and do the first inaugural burnout with this thing. We gotta welcome it into the club. The question is, can he burn both tires?
I was just asking him that. I don't know what his plan is here. Is he gonna try to whip it around, or is he just gonna
do something?
I think he's just doing. What are you thinking? Big roller to
I'm
just
see if I can like brake tap it a couple times so you get them both going. If not, I'll do a roll. I'll do a roll back.
All right.
Do a roll back and try to whack.
okay. Hey, if it starts and it's just one, I'll try and hop on the bed for you real quick.
All
Want me
right.
to pull the hood off for you guys real quick?
I'd make it faster. That's just one. Oh, it's a one-wheel peeler. It's a one-wheel peeler. Not bad for a one-wheel peel.
No, not bad at all.
I mean, I respect it.
Yeah, that was a good burnout. For the power that thing has.
We literally, I mean, he made a good cloud. I respect it.
Yeah, at no point did it even try to spin the second.
No, dude, I think it's
No
just a...
point did it
Do
try
you think
to.
it has positive traction, or is it just an open diff? Oh, here he comes.
It might just be super shot, too.
It's always a possibility.
We're gonna have to weld this deal.
You're gonna have to weld this diff. Lincoln lock this thing ASAP, brother.
Yeah, let's do a roll back. See if it does.
Just try a reverse burnout. No. Wow, it does spin that one easy though, huh?
Let me try reverse.
Oh. There you go, dude. That's both. That's both. There you have it, folks. James' truck can burn both tires.
There you go.
Boom.
All right, give me one good roller. Just end this off nicely, all right? He's still going. Dude, that truck.
There you go.
I think that's perfect for him. He's gonna have a lot of fun with that thing.
Yeah, he's definitely gonna need to lock that diff.
Look at this stripe.
Yeah. It's stuck like shutter, tire shake.
God dang, he must have been wheeling that thing in there. I think that's a perfect truck for him though.
Yeah.
That's the right vehicle. Now we just gotta find a spaghetti mobile.
He's gonna wall tab that thing.
For sure. What do you think, James? What's your overall review?
She's a born ripper.
She's a born ripper. You got any name ideas still? Now, I mean, we're gonna wait till the next video.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to ponder this one.
Okay.
This one.
All right, that's it, folks. James has a new race truck. Drop ideas below for names for this thing. Also, drop ideas for a spaghetti mobile.